Welcome to my new tutorial that will show you how to enable automatic app updates on the Google Play Store. Automatic app updates can be very useful as they allow you to always have the latest versions of apps without the need to manually update them. In this guide, I will walk you through step by step on how to set up this feature on your device so you can enjoy updated apps effortlessly. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile. After that, find the settings option and tap on it. Once you've done that, now tap on the network preferences, and then auto update apps. Now you can choose whether you want your apps to be automatically updated only over Wi-Fi or over any network. I will choose only over Wi-Fi. After you make your selection, tap OK, and that's it. Your apps will now be automatically updated without the need to manually update them. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.